How to block gambling sites and apps on your phone. So first things first is access or open up your preferred web browser. On your search box, just simply type in next DNS and of course choose on their first result. And here you have an option to complete the whole process without sign up required. Just go ahead and hit on try it now, and this is going to be your dashboard. Now just simply scroll all the way to the right till you find denial list, tap on denial list, and then in here, this is where you'll have to manually add the specific domains or the website names on those specific gambling sites that has been popping out on your phone. So say for example, we will be blocking out pub 778. This will actually be depending on the name of the website. You simply hit on go and make sure that the activation button here is turned on, and then go all the way to the left and then go into setup, and here scroll down till you find the setup page. So this is going to be the next step to do. Go into your phone settings, network and internet, advanced, and then into private DNS. Select the private DNS provider hostname and simply tap and hold this hostname right here, copy it, and then paste it into the private DNS provider. And that's it. That's how you block gambling sites and apps.